All right, just for fun, I'm gonna play just the radio because I can't use my iPhone and record at the same time as the CarPlay, which is a bummer, so I'll have to put some music on the thumb drive. But just gonna let you hear what the kicker key sounds like. We've got AudioFrog GS Series 25s in the dash and CDT CL-69 sub 2s in the, or not sub 2s, just sub CF or whatever they are. 6x9s in the doors. Factory in the rear. All right, so we'll turn the Sky on. It's going to sound awful at first until the HD radio kicks in. Okay, so at first, it's not too bad. It's all right. It's a little bit left-centered. And it's a little bassy. Okay, that's with the kicker bypass. We're going to go ahead and use the button and push it. And now the stage is beautifully centered, and it sounds so much cleaner and clearer. Seriously, guys, kicker key amp and a couple $100 of speakers. Fantastic upgrade in the Sienna. This sounds amazing. I'm really impressed considering I'm comparing it to a system that I spent over $3,000 in my Tesla to do, and this was so easy to set up. Love it. All right, thanks for watching.